Hey everyone, welcome back to Reasonable Setups. So today I'm going to provide some updates on ENA, ETHENA. So let's go and look at the daily chart. You can see we are having some very volatile price action. Of course, it is because we have had some serious numbers coming out, and they came out pretty bearish, I would say, for the market. I mean, it was expected that unemployment will jump a bit from the previous month, so 4.3% as expected. And markets actually sold off, but not that much as it was expected to me. And you can see ENA, if I open the 4-hour chart, you can see we are at that highly volatile range. And this week is and it is Friday, it's over. So in the weekend, you can expect very choppy price action to be continued. But of course, on a daily chart and on a 4-hour chart, you can see we are starting to kind of fade the upside momentum. So we are still kind of holding. If I open 1-hour chart, it will be more clear, I think. So we are still holding this trend line. We had this fake out, but of course, I think sooner or later we're gonna lose this trend line and we will go back. Yeah, so 1-hour chart as well, you can see even if we have one more spike, I think eventually we will be back below this a downward channel, and of course we will have our final run below 0.5 to me, and it will be still bullish structurally because we have that weekly bullish fair value gap there. So anything above this level basically is still bullish to me. So this can be correction. It can take a lot of time, but of course we will see. It depends on Ethereum and Bitcoin price action. As I said before, you can see, so we hit this 12-hour supply and demand. We made a lower low, and actually we rejected on a daily chart exactly at 50% of this daily inversion for ENA. But of course, it is still very volatile. And if I open the open interest side and funding, you will see the funding is negative, and Bybit's funding is heavily negative, minus 0.2, which means they are shorting very heavily. And considering the fact that the weekend is approaching and we have CPI coming out next week, I will expect to have one more short squeeze maybe on ENA. You can see how volatile and ruthless price action this is. So it's coming out, wiping out the leverage, the upside and downside. So this is very dangerous to try to trade on leverage. But I think after CPI, we'll have some direction on ENA as well. So overall market, it is still funding is negative, and open interest is around 1 billion. I won't touch this on weekend, and I will wait for CPI to come out and to give some direction. And of course, as I said on the previous video, I will expect it to finally lose this 0.6 level and to capitulate below 0.5. I think from 0.4 to 0.48, we will find some places to add spot position in this altcoin, because I do believe this is very, very good, and technically and fundamentally as well. And for the last part, I would open the Ethereum chart. You can see we are in this tight range from 4250 to 40, basically 4500. And I will expect to have some kind of fake out to the upside as well. You can see this weekend liquidity from the last week, from the holiday week, is still here. So we never took this liquidity, and I think that's very dangerous to leave this liquidity there. Or if we are going down, then of course we will come back and take this liquidity and make a new all-time high. But I would really suggest we take this liquidity first before going down. It would be much healthier to me. Yeah. So as I said, Ethereum should test its bull market support band, and at these prices we will see how ENA will react at that levels, and there is a good chance we can have some serious discounts on ENA and try to buy the dip for the final leg up, and possibly 3, 4, 5x's on ENA. So this is a very good altcoin, as I said, and I will try to update the price action, and yeah, we'll see what's going to happen next. So stay tuned, stay away for the weekend, and wait for the CPI. Thank you. Bye.